Hi guys, hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make blending solution for the alcohol inks at home. Since all of us from the artist community know how expensive the blending solution is and also it gets over too soon, I just thought why not give it a try and make one at home. So the basic two ingredients required for this are glycerine and isopropyl alcohol. So the glycerin that I'm using is a 98% glycerin mix, weight by weight, with aqua and rose water that I got from my nearby pharmacy, and 99% isopropyl alcohol that I bought online. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So what we're gonna do is take 120 ml of isopropyl alcohol in a spray dropper bottle and add 5 to 6 drops of glycerine in it. Okay, we'll just open it. So it's approximately 60 ml. Yeah. Now what we'll do is add a little bit of glycerine. One drop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now we'll just close the bottle and shake it well. So now what we'll do is we'll take a non-absorbent sheet to try this out. So the brands of alcohol inks that I'm using is COLORBLAST STUDIO. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. We'll take the blending medium that we made and spray it all over the surface. So I'm taking the yellow shade. Yeah. We'll take a straw and just blow over it. Now I'll spray again to increase the workability and the flow, and then use the pink shade and just blow over it again. Just wet the surface. Now I'm using yellow again. Spray over the surface. And just go over it. and rose pink. So you see guys how easy it is. So we'll leave it to dry. So that's it. That's about it. And now just it's working great, and I think that it's looking good to me. So that's it for today guys. So see you in my next video. Thank you.